Hello, everyone.
Hi guys, welcome back to our English practice channel.
Today we will talk about morning routines.
Yes, morning routines, very easy, very useful, and very important English.
That's right, we use these sentences every day.
Every single day.
So please relax, listen carefully, and practice speaking with us.
And if you enjoy slow and easy English conversations,
Please like the video.
and subscribe to the channel.
Okay, let's begin.
John, what time do you usually wake up?
I usually wake up at 6:30 in the morning.
Wow, that's early.
Haha, yes, a little early.
I wake up at 7:30.
That's okay, 1 hour later.
Yes, I love sleeping.
Me too, honestly.
So, what is the first thing you do in the morning?
The first thing I do is turn off my alarm.
Ah, yes, the alarm sound is scary sometimes.
Beep, beep, beep.
Please stop.
Okay.
So, you turn off your alarm, then what?
Then I get out of bed slowly.
Slowly?
Very slowly.
Me too.
Sometimes I sit on the bed for 5 minutes.
Just sitting there?
Yes, thinking about life.
Wow, very deep.
Or thinking about coffee.
Ah, coffee is more realistic.
Yes,
Okay, everyone, listen carefully.
I wake up at 6:30.
I turn off my alarm.
I get out of bed.
Very good. Repeat after us.
I wake up at 6:30.
I turn off my alarm.
I get out of bed.
Great job.
Sarah, what do you do after you wake up?
First, I drink water.
That's healthy.
Yes, I drink one big glass of water.
Cold water?
No, normal water.
Good. Then what?
Then I wash my face.
That helps you wake up.
Exactly.
Cold water on the face?
Boom, awake.
Yes.
And sometimes I look in the mirror and say,
Good morning.
no, I say, wow, I look tired.
That is real life English.
Yes,
After I wake up, I brush my teeth.
very important.
Very important, please. I brush my teeth for 2 minutes.
Good job.
Then I wash my face too.
Do you take a shower in the morning?
Yes, usually.
I do too.
A shower helps me feel fresh.
Fresh and awake.
Exactly.
Okay, listeners, let's practice together.
I brush my teeth.
I wash my face.
I take a shower.
Again, slowly.
I brush my teeth.
I wash my face.
I take a shower.
Very good.
Sarah, what do you wear in the morning?
Simple clothes.
Interesting. Like what?
Sometimes jeans and a t-shirt.
Nice and comfortable.
Yes. What about you?
I usually wear a shirt and black pants.
Very professional.
Thank you.
Do you make your bed?
Hmm.
Oh no.
I'll admit, sometimes yes, sometimes no.
Be honest, John.
Okay, usually no.
Thank you for your honesty.
What about you?
I try to make my bed every morning.
Very organized.
Well, I try.
That's good enough.
Listeners, here are more useful phrases.
I get dressed.
I make my bed.
I put on my clothes.
Repeat with us.
I get dressed.
I make my bed.
I put on my clothes.
Excellent.
Now let's talk about breakfast.
My favorite part of the morning.
Mine too.
John, what do you usually eat for breakfast?
I usually eat eggs and toast.
Very nice.
And coffee. Always coffee.
Always?
Always.
Okay. I usually eat cereal or fruit.
Healthy again.
I try to be healthy in the morning.
That's smart.
Do you cook breakfast?
Sometimes.
Please be honest. Are you a good cook?
Not really. I can cook eggs, that's all.
Well, eggs are important.
Yes, simple but good.
Sometimes I make pancakes on weekends.
Wow, fancy breakfast.
Not every day.
Okay, everyone, listen carefully.
I eat breakfast.
I drink coffee.
I make pancakes.
I cook eggs.
Now you say it.
I eat breakfast.
I drink coffee.
I cook eggs.
Amazing work.
Sarah, do you check your phone in the morning?
Oh, yes.
Me too.
Sometimes too much.
Same here.
I check messages,
I check emails,
social media,
the weather.
and funny cat videos.
Very important morning work.
Exactly.
Sometimes I spend too much time on my phone.
Me too.
Then suddenly,
You are late.
yes,
Oh no, it's 8 o'clock.
yes.
Okay, that happens to me sometimes.
Okay, listeners, useful phrases.
I check my phone.
I read my messages.
I look at social media.
Very good.
Now let's talk about going to work or school.
Okay, after breakfast, I leave the house at 7:45.
Do you drive to work?
Yes, I do.
How long is the drive?
About 30 minutes.
That's not too bad.
No, it's okay.
I take the bus sometimes.
Do you like taking the bus?
Sometimes yes, sometimes no.
Why?
Because sometimes the bus is crowded.
Ah, yes.
Too many people in the morning.
Everyone looks sleepy.
Yes.
Nobody wants to talk.
Just coffee, silence, and sleepy faces.
That's morning life.
Exactly.
Listeners, repeat after us.
I go to work.
I go to school.
I take the bus.
I drive to work.
Excellent pronunciation.
Sarah, what is your perfect morning?
Oh, good question.
Thank you.
My perfect morning is waking up slowly,
Nice.
drinking coffee,
Very important.
eating pancakes,
Even better.
and listening to relaxing music.
That sounds wonderful.
What about you?
My perfect morning is simple.
Tell us.
Good coffee.
Again, coffee.
Yes.
Okay, continue.
Good coffee, quiet music, and no stress.
That sounds peaceful.
Yes, very peaceful.
Listeners, think about your morning routine.
What time do you wake up?
What do you eat for breakfast?
Do you drink coffee or tea?
Do you take a shower in the morning?
Try to answer in English.
Even simple answers are good.
Yes, practice every day.
Small practice is powerful.
Exactly.
Okay, John, let's do a small speaking practice together.
Great idea.
I will ask questions slowly.
And listeners can answer.
Ready?
Ready.
Slow question. What time do you wake up?
I wake up at 6:30.
Good.
Now you answer.
Next question.
What do you eat for breakfast?
I eat eggs and toast.
Very nice.
Now you answer.
Next question.
Do you drink coffee?
Yes, I do.
Of course.
Now, listeners, you answer.
Next question.
Do you exercise in the morning?
Oh, good question.
Do you?
Sometimes.
Suspicious answer. I exercise 2 times a week.
That's good.
I try my best.
That's important.
Listeners, here are more daily phrases.
I wake up early.
I feel sleepy.
I drink coffee.
I leave the house.
I go to work.
Again, slowly.
I wake up early.
I feel sleepy.
I drink coffee.
I leave the house.
Wonderful job, everyone.
Learning English step by step.
Slowly and clearly.
That is the best way.
Yes.
Sarah, do you like mornings?
Honestly, sometimes. I like calm mornings,
Me too.
but I do not like waking up very early.
Nobody likes the alarm sound.
True.
Beep, beep, beep.
Oh no, not again.
Yes.
Okay, listeners, one more practice.
Listen and repeat.
I wake up at 7 o'clock.
I brush my teeth.
I eat breakfast.
I go to work.
Very good.
You are improving your English.
Yes, you are doing great.
Keep listening every day.
Even 10 minutes helps.
That's true.
And remember,
Do not be afraid of mistakes.
mistakes help you learn.
Even we make mistakes sometimes.
Yes, especially before coffee.
Very true.
Before coffee, my English is sleeping.
Mine too. Okay, everyone, we are almost finished.
Thank you for listening and practicing with us today,
We hope this conversation helped your English.
and helped your morning too.
Before we go,
Tell us in the comments,
what is your morning routine?
what time do you wake up?
And what is your favorite breakfast?
We would love to read your answers.
Don't forget to like the video
Don't forget to subscribe to the channel.
and practice English every single day.
See you next time.
Bye, everyone.
Bye-bye.